Hello guys, I hope that you're doing great. In this video, I will show you how to fill the Air Suvidha form which is required by everyone who will be coming to India. So now let's get started. So the first step is to type Air Suvidha Form on Google. Once you do that, hit the first link. Also for your ease, I will link the link in the description below. So now scroll a bit and enter your first name. After entering it, enter your date of birth. Now, choose your gender. Now, enter your flight number. Now, let me explain this and hear this carefully. Now, suppose you're coming from the States to India, but there's a stop in Dubai and then you will change your flight. So, you would have to enter the flight which will depart from Dubai to India. So, that means the flight which will land you in India, you should enter that number. So let me enter that. After doing that, enter your seat number. Also, if your seat number is not allotted and you are filling the form in advance, so put 00 if you're not sure what's your seat number. Now, enter your PNR number. Once you do that, choose your nationality. Enter your passport number. Now, upload your passport copy. Once you do that, now there's an option of date of arrival, so enter that as well. After doing this, enter the country of departure. And here you have to enter the origin country where you first boarded the flight. Now there's an option called Are you taking a connecting domestic flight? So let's suppose that you are from the United States and you are going to Delhi. But what happens is that you have a direct flight from New Delhi to Mumbai. Then from Mumbai, you will reach Delhi. So that means it's a domestic flight. So if there is any domestic flight which will run in India, so choose yes, else no. For my case, it's no, and usually it's no. So let me choose that. And if you have a connecting flight, so enter that as well. It's really easy. Once you do that, now upload your vaccination certificate. There's another option called location of final vaccination dose. So let's say if you received your second vaccination in the States, so enter your country name. Now here's an option of date of final dose of vaccination. So let me enter that as well. You may add yours. Once you're done with that, upload your COVID negative report, the certificate. So let's upload it. And also enter the date of RT-PCR test. Now let's scroll it. Now, suppose you left for India from New York City. So let me write here New York. Similarly, you may write the airport where you first started your flight. Now, here's an option called First Airport of Entry. It means that where will you land in India? So let me choose Delhi for example, because majority of the people either land in Delhi or in Mumbai. So let me choose that. Yes. So there's an option called final destination house number. So if you have the house number, enter that. If you don't have, don't worry. Just book an hotel, enters their address along with your room number. So let me do that. Now there's an option called final destination street / village. So enter the city name. So as I'm going in Delhi, I am writing here Delhi, and also just write the city name there. There's nothing to worry about. Now another option is final destination state / union territory. So as I'm going in Delhi, I will be choosing Delhi, and again I will be choosing the New Delhi. Now enter that destination pin code. If you don't know that, ask your hotel or just search it up on the net. It's really easy. So let me type that. After doing this, let me choose one and let me type that. And here enter your mobile number. You may choose the country code if you don't have an Indian number. So let me write my number. Now enter your alternative contact number. So if you're staying in the hotel, enters their number. Now enter your valid email address. Once you enter that, answer these questions. Are you experiencing any of the following symptoms? So usually the answers are no, so choose that. But make sure you enter the correct information only. Do not enter any false information. So same with this field, are you suffering from? For my case, it's no, so let me choose that. Now choose the countries where you have visited within 14 days, and if you have not visited any other country apart from your home country in 14 days, then click on none. Now, if you are more than one passenger, just increase the number. It will ask you the same details. That's it. So for my case, I'm alone. Let me choose one and agree to all this information. And let's now hit on submit. Now it's loading. It might take some time. Now a screen like this will appear on your screen. As you can see that, thank you for submitting the self-declaration form. Your application reference number is this. So I request you to please take a screenshot of this so that you can have your application reference number. After doing this, check your email. You will find an email for the confirmation of the form filled by you. So in that email, you will find a PDF. So PDF is something that is appearing on your screen. I have cropped the PDF for security purposes, but you download the PDF and print it, or you can show it up as a soft copy on the airport. But so that's it. You have successfully filled the Air Suvidha self-declaration form and have an awesome journey ahead. If you have any doubts, feel free to type that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.